Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. That was so awkward. That was like awkward, but I was trying not to be awkward. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna be doing the long-awaited apartment tour. I don't think it was long-awaited, but I'm just gonna say that it was long and awaited. Long and whatever, you get the picture. But yeah, I'm doing an apartment tour. It's not the fanciest apartment tour, but I wanted to just show you guys how we ended up setting things up. And yeah, let's just roll the tape. Welcome to my apartment. So I finally have everything situated in my apartment, kind of. We're still working on a few things, but for the most part it's done. So I wanted to do an apartment tour. I feel like I told you guys I moved to LA, and it's so cool to see the progress from that video versus now. So yeah. Okay, so when you first walk in, you just see our living room. Alice was in charge of decorating everything. If you didn't know from the last video, we still didn't take that down yet. We're gonna take it down soon. Then on the left, we have Alice's shoes. You can see her vibe is completely different from mine. Ignore those, I just brought those back from Georgia and I need to find a place for them to stay and get rid of some stuff. Here we have our dining table. We want to decorate this space a bit. If you have any ideas, let me know. And then I have my Opti water filter, and it's really clutch because it purifies water. So when you enter, my room is on this side and Alice's room is on that side. So when we go to bed, we kind of just close doors, say goodbye, and that's that. This is our shared space. It's really cute, cozy. We always forget to turn on our neon signs. Try to remember to put them on for the video. Kitchen, I don't want to go in there too much just because it's a little bit of a mess. Let's go on into my room. So when you enter my room, this is my bedroom, my closet, sink, and this is my toilet and shower. Over here I just have my masks and my keys. I want to hang this and I tried to hang it with a command hook, but it fell. I think I'm gonna have to screw it into the wall, but I don't have the tools to do that, so I'm gonna do that eventually. This is my sink area where, you know, I wash up and get ready. As you guys know, I got this container to have my floss picks, my cotton rounds, my Q-tips, my lotion, my glasses, and then the jewelry that I wear most of the time. Over here, these loose products are products I want to use up. And then I just have my wet brush hanging over there, and then a hand towel. And then in this corner, I have my essential stuff. And then this is my current like skincare that I'm using, want to use up section, my deodorant. I use men's deodorant, yes I do. You guys want to look at the products I'm currently using. This is my favorite pore cleansing mask, and then I have green Ulla Henriksen cold plunge pore mask. I have this one I'm trying to use up, and it's freaking amazing. I forgot how good it was. I don't want to take everything out, but yeah, this is the mask section kind of, and miscellaneous. Then here I have my eye cream, lip cream, some serums and concentrates, some sunscreen, so my tools, some clips and hair ties. Then here are my contact case, and then a whole bunch of moisturizers that I use. And here I have more serums and stuff, contact solution, toner, makeup removers, and pimple patches. So that's my medicine cabinet. I'm already getting tired. In this drawer, I have some hair products. So I have like dry shampoo, leave-in conditioner, detangler, hairspray, some hand lotion, my clips that I use almost every day, my retainers, contacts, some stuff, and then yeah. Then down here, oh, this is all of my hair tools. Down here I have some Q-tips, cotton rounds, some gloves, you know, just the essentials. The middle section here, it's a little messy, but this is my everyday makeup. This is where I keep it, just in this bag. And then these are my brushes. The top part, I have like the feminine products and then some extra stuff like over there, and yeah. I have my hair mask in here, some sheet masks all in this bag, and then some cleaning essentials. These gloves are used for my hair mask. That's why it's there right now. And then boring, just real quick, this is my bathroom. Boring. I don't want to go into the shower, but yeah, it's just very simple. Oh, I'm already out of breath. This is my closet. It's not the most organized. It's not color coordinated because I like to coordinate things by like tank tops, t-shirts, and then I coordinate everything by color, kind of. These are all my pants that I wear like almost daily, not sweats, like just go outside pants. My laundry, I have a little trash bin for my like cotton rounds and Q-tips, whatever. So up there I just have like a whole bunch of storage containers, the suitcase, my box for my air fryer, and then I have this little thing here. Top is all face masks. I have like a whole bunch of disposable surgical masks, N95s, whatever, and then these are my favorite masks because it doesn't take my makeup off. Then I have my towel. Here is my hat section, so it's like my caps, and then my beanies, and then my one bucket hat. Down here, this is like my grab and go section. So like my phone case, when I'm home, I take off my phone case because there's germs. And I also sanitize this, but then I leave it here to dry. Some grocery bags. And this is just, I don't know, but I shoved some stuff in there. Here I have a ton of hoodies just like all up under here. And when you close the door, more storage up there. I don't need that anymore, so I just had it. I have my bike helmet and my thing, but I left my bike in SF. I should get that back. Here are like my long sleeves, some button-ups, jackets. Oh, and then I have my golf bag and more luggage cases. And then when you turn over here, this is my bedroom. I will say it's very simple, minimalistic. I just don't like clutter because it distracts me from stuff. I have my desk here that Paul and Adam, well, Paul built for me. I have a dresser. I built that myself. I even had to carry this whole thing from the package guy downstairs. This is my bed. I have my ring light and like my tall tripod over there. I don't know if I want to go into these dressers. Maybe I will. Yeah, I mean, pretty simple. I have it all set up now. And then I have these two cabinets. So in these cabinets, when you guys saw it last time, it was like super messy, but when you open it, it's still a bit of a mess. But up there, I have this package that I received from Influencer and Victor and Rolf. I totally forgot I need to film something for this. I have paper towels, some cleaning stuff, tissues, baby wipes, and then I have my clean brushes up here. I need to find a space for them. I gotta find a better way to store all this. We're figuring it out. In here, this section here is like my beauty skincare products. In the back, I have like eyeshadow palettes. These are all like new skincare. And then I have my perfumes here, little sample sizes. Then down here, some books and whatever, office stuff, some medicine, and then I have like my McDonald's collectible Space Jam toys in there. And then in the last thing right here, I just have some extra slippers and then this basket full of just like some storage stuff. I don't know. Here I have my air purifier. I usually have that on my desk. I'm always watching like YouTube videos. Sometimes when brands send me products to like test or whatever, I usually have them over here so I know to use them. Ari and Eric are over there. Like a bunch of pens and stuff. This is all like non-clothing, and then this is all clothing. So in the first drawer is probably what everyone is curious about and how I organize. This is my makeup drawer. It's still a work in progress. I need to declutter. Over here I have all of my Super Shock, oh my god. Over here I have all of my Super Shock okay, I'm not gonna try anymore. Super Shock shadows. They're all over here. Right here I have all of my like face products, setting sprays, some foundations that are open that I need to use up, primers. In the back there, some blotting sheets. It's all in the back is like lashes, and in that box I have extra beauty sponges. And I have lashes here too. It's kind of a little bit of a mess. This is all cream products, and then like the blush contour palettes. This here. These are all blush singles. Over here is like all of my highlighters. Here, some lashes and then some eye products. Here I have like mini lip products. Over there I have tools and some glitter. In the back are my lip liners. I kind of got rid of a lot of my stuff. This is my current candle, Holiday Berry. This brand, like I said, they change their name often, but the font is usually the same at Marshall's, but it's called Sand and Pause. Sometimes it's called Sand and Fog. Okay, now that I'm done, hold on, let me go turn off every single light now. So yeah, it isn't like the most perfect apartment. We don't get that much sunlight in here, and we have carpet, which I don't like. But overall, for the price and location, I love our apartment, and I really like how like when you walk in, there's separate rooms. Alice isn't home. I was hoping she would be home so we can make the apartment tour more fun, but unfortunately she's busy and she's not home right now. Anyways, that's my apartment tour. So like this year I have a couple of goals. Maybe I'll do a separate goal video, but I definitely want to start uploading more on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. I feel like I just love content creation. It's something that always keeps me motivated to like wake up early and like stay up late, and it's something that I just genuinely love doing. So if you want to follow my TikTok, this is my TikTok handle. Currently I am just repurposing my vlogs for some content, but I think eventually I want to start posting. I've said this many times before on my YouTube channel, but I really want to start uploading consistently. I'm just gonna be experimenting, so I hope you guys enjoy. Just know that I appreciate all of you guys so much who watch my videos and like my stuff and share it. It means a lot to me. I hope everyone has had a great start to the year. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.